swear to God, if you scream, I'm Do not scream or I will kill you again. Okay, now write down the code to that goddamn safe. Write it down. 7, 2, 1, 3, 1.
You want to see a magic trick? I'm going to get the combination to the safe using only my mind.
Franklin, that's not something to play with.
Just play the game, Renee. Hey, Renee. Check this out.
Okay. Next time, it won't be your thigh, it'll be your head. And trust me, it is not pretty. Now tell me, what is the code to the safe? 53578?
Franklin?
Shut up. Wasn't that easy?